Hi friends, this is Dr. Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. I'm going to start a new episode very soon. I would request you to please follow it with attention. One thing more, at the end, if you are satisfied with the quality of this presentation, please share it to somebody, or like it, or subscribe it. And if you are not satisfied, then you please give a comment as to why you are not satisfied, so that I can mend it correctly. I will correct it in next time. Mind this, your action give us inspiration to work better and better. Thanks.
Today's discourse, liver-friendly foods. Title, 18 foods drinks that keep liver healthy. Mind that this 18 food drinks is not a rigid figure. It may be 19 or more, it may be less than 18, anything, because this depends on the person who is collecting the symptoms and collecting and collating and segregating the symptoms. So according to my concept, it is 18. But that is not a rigid figure. Number 1, walnut. Walnut contains high amount of fibers, healthy fats, B vitamins, iron, calcium, manganese, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, etc., which help liver positively in performing its functions. Number 2, grapefruit. Grapefruit has a lot of antioxidant which lessen insulin sensitivity, control blood sugar and cholesterol, help in fat metabolism, also increase the immune power of the system to help liver in discharging its functions. Mind it, it also includes other lemons like the lime, mosambi, orange, etc. It includes all these things. Number 3, blueberry and cranberry. These two berries contain antioxidant galore, which decrease chronic inflammation in our body and help liver in strengthening the immune power of our system. Number 4, grapes. In grapes, especially in black and purple type, high amount of antioxidant decrease chronic inflammation in our body, increase the immune power of the system, and also take active part in fighting out non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases, NAFLD. Number 5, prickly pears. Fruits of a cactus type plant contain high amount of fibers, antioxidants, carotenoids, essential fatty acid, magnesium, calcium, potassium, etc., which help liver in discharging its duties in many ways. Number 6, beet. Beet juice contains nitrate and antioxidants, which fight out systemic degeneration via main two ways, namely oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. This helps liver to discharge its duties easily. Number 7, cruciferous veggies. Cruciferous veggies, namely broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, turnip, etc., contain high amount of phytochemicals. The latter help liver to excrete detoxifying enzymes and save liver cells. Number 8, nuts. Antioxidant vitamin E and phytochemicals present in various types of nuts increase enzyme secretion from liver cells and put a pitched battle against the NAFLD. Number 9, fatty fishes, especially containing omega-3 fatty acids, as for example salmon, sardine, lobster, shrimp, tuna, herring, etc., increase secretion of enzymes from liver which fight chronic inflammation and insulin resistance. Number 10, olive oil. Olive oil decreases accumulation of fat in liver and kills many diseases of liver at the onset. This apart, it increases enzyme secretion of liver and fights against insulin resistance of body cells. Number 11, green tea. Green tea retards accumulation of fat in liver and decreases oxidative stress in the body. It also puts resistance against NAFLD. Number 12. Garlic. Garlic decreases fat from the liver of patient of NAFLD. It also decreases fat from the liver of obese persons. Obesity is a predisposing factor of NAFLD, so it acts as a preventive agent against NAFLD. Number 13. Coffee. World Health Organization confirms that moderate amount of drinking coffee may reduce the risk of liver cancer and other diseases too, like fibrosis of liver. Number 14. Apple. Antioxidant and phytochemicals in apple help in detoxification of liver cells. Number 15. Avocado. In superfood avocado, there are a lot of minerals like calcium, iron, manganese, magnesium, potassium, copper, phosphorus, manganese and zinc. There are also vitamins A, C, E, K and many B vitamins. This fruit helps liver in performing high-level detoxification. Number 16. Carrot. Antioxidants and phytochemicals of carrot help liver cells in performing detoxification. Number 17. Turmeric. Turmeric, by virtue of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, save liver cells from the clutch of toxins. Number 18. Water. Last and most important of all, safe drinking water is indispensable for good functioning of liver. Every adult needs to drink water 2 to 2.5 liters per day unless forbidden by some other conditions.